Hi parents, I just want to show you quickly on how you can record your child reading a leveled book. So what you're going to do is we're on Raz Kids and you're going to have your child listen to the book, in the same order, and then your child is going to read the book on their own. So when they read their book on their own, there's going to be a triangle at the top and you're going to click on it. And to the right, you're going to see a microphone. So you're going to click on it, and this is how you're going to record your child reading a leveled book from Raz Kids. And you hit the red button when you're ready. I just think this is a really cool feature for your child to use. This way, I can actually hear your child reading a leveled book. At the moment, we're not doing guided reading, and so I think it would just be a really great way for me to see how their fluency is and how they're reading on that certain level book. So please feel free to use this. It is optional, but like I said, I think it's just going to be a really great way for me to listen to your child. So again, feel free to use it, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.